Hey there, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you one of our fully managed industrial network switches that features auto negotiation, advanced security, full VLAN configuration and management including Mac VLAN and VLAN stacking, also DHCP options, flow control, storm control, traffic control, industrial QoS such as Profinet, Ethernet IP, and Goose packets. It has a dual redundant power supply and a wide operating temperature, and many more features. And setup is simple thanks to the advanced management interface, MapleLink. Most importantly, they are engineered to handle high vibration, shock, freefall, and interference in the most extreme industrial environments. Let's take a look. I'm going to be unboxing one of the fully managed industrial network switches. This is the MS1 M08G. It has 8 RJ45 copper ports. So when you first open the box, you will see the MS1 M08G Quick Start Guide. And then within that Quick Start Guide, there is also the Maple Systems Limited Warranty. Also within the box, in a Ziploc bag, there is a terminal block power connector. This is used for your power input, your redundant power, and also for your alarm relay. And then wrapped in anti-static is the MS1 M08G. So I'll remove it from the anti-static wrapping. And here is the MS1 M08G. Also, on each of the ports, there is a removable rubber cover that you can remove and then also insert back in. Here is the MS1 M08G. It has 8 RJ45 ports, speeds up to 10, 100, and 1000 megabytes per second. It has auto MDI and MDIX crossover detection, auto negotiation, advanced security, flow control, storm control, traffic control, full VLAN management including Mac VLAN, VLAN stacking, and port-based QNQ and LLDP filter. It has industrial QoS, which is Profinet, Ethernet IP, and Goose packets. It has TACAX Plus, DHCP options, static Mac, sticky Mac, refusal Mac, QoS-Q, QNQ, RSTP, STP, code redundancy, an operating temperature of -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, or -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. It has metal housing, and it has a DIN rail for mounting. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O on the MS1 M08G. On the front, you have 8 RJ45 copper ports. Then there are also some LED light indicators for your power, redundant power, and alarm. On the top of the switch, there is a terminal block, which is your power input 24 to 48 VDC, redundant power, and alarm relay. There's also a dip switch and a reset button, which is used for factory default, and a power cycle. Then you also have a grounding screw. Then on the rear side of the switch, there is a DIN rail for mounting. Now I'm going to power on the switch. So I have the wires going into the terminal block where the power input is, and then I have my switch connected to a power supply. I also have an Ethernet cable going into port 2, which is connected to my network. So I'm just going to turn on my power supply, and the LED lights will flicker on the ports. Then you will see the green LED light for the power. Then momentarily after, you will see the green LED light blink on port 2. And then you know you are up and running. Once you are up and running with your managed industrial network switch, you can then access your MapleLink User Interface. When you first connect your managed switch, you will need to enter the IP address of that switch, and by default, that's going to be 192.168.100.254. You will enter that in a web browser, and then by default, your username and password will be admin, and your password will be admin. Then you'll click login, and then it will open up your user interface here. Now, I've changed my IP address from 192.168.254.77. To do that, go over to the left side, basic settings, then system settings. And here you can change your IP address among some other system settings. Also on the left side, you can view your system information. In basic settings and then advanced settings, you have bandwidth control, IGMP snooping, VLAN is full configuration and management. You have DHCP options under security. You have IP source guard, which is DHCP snooping, access control lists, 802.1x, port security, TACAX Plus. Under monitor, you have your alarm, MAC flapping, port statistics, port utilization, traffic monitor. Under management, you have SNMP, auto provision, mail alarm, maintenance. This is where you update your firmware, syslog, user account settings, device management, topology map. Then lastly, your MapleLink support, you can view your contact information. To get more detailed information on all of these features, be sure to review the Industrial Network Switch Operations Manual, the Managed series, and you will get everything you need to know about MapleLink and everything you need to know about the Managed Industrial Network Switch. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our fully managed industrial network switches, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.